Welcome back to Ecopoise classes. I'm Surbhi Gupta and we are studying economics from Tamil Nadu board book. And if you're preparing for anything that relates economics, I think this series is amazing for you. Today we are going to start with average and marginal propensity to consume. But before that, I'll just quickly refresh your concepts about what we read in the previous class, which was consumption function. That consumption function is equal to autonomous consumption plus induced consumption, where this consumption is autonomous, which is not dependent on income. So even if income is zero, your consumption is equal to autonomous consumption. You are consuming something, be it your medicines, your urgent needs, whatever, but you are consuming something. It's not that consumption is never zero. Okay, so that is something which you should know. Hash, quote unquote, consumption is never zero. Okay, then this part is your induced consumption, the part of consumption which is induced by income. And B here is marginal propensity to consume, which is actually the proportion of income that goes into consumption. So if your income is 100, say, and so B, what is B? So I'll explain. What is average propensity to consume? Average propensity to consume is if your income is 100, you are consuming 80 out of 100. So then your average propensity to consume is 0.8, the portion of income that you are consuming. Whereas marginal propensity, so now if a coming month, your income is say 1,000 rupees per month, pocket money, and Diwali month hai, so your parents decided to give you 1,100. So what is your increase in income? Increase in income is 100. I'll say delta, यानी triangle, change in income. Change in income कितना है? 100 rupees का, 1,000 से इस महीने 1,100 मिले. Imagine आप इसमें से 800 कंज्यूम कर रहे थे, तो आपकी एवरेज प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम 800/1000 थी, राइट, 0.8 थी. तो अब आपने कहा कि आपकी 100 rupees इनकम बढ़ा है, तो आपने 800 से कितना कंज्यूम और ज्यादा करा? मे बी यू डिसाइडेड टू कंज्यूम 860 rupees नाउ. ठीक है, so 860 you consumed out of 1,100. That will be your average propensity to consume, whereas your marginal propensity to consume is because of the increase of 100 rupees in income, you decided to change your consumption by 60. So your marginal propensity to consume will be 60, which is a 0.6, which is the change in consumption due to change in income, whereas average is consumption upon income, that part of income that you're consuming. On the other side, the part of change in income that you're changing your consumption because of your change in income, delta C by delta Y, is your marginal propensity to consume. That is the difference. Okay, this is your marginal propensity to consume. So you should know, can APC be zero? Can APC be zero? APC can never be zero because consumption is never zero. Consumption is always equal to autonomous consumption, even when your income is zero. Okay, so even when if you have no income, you still consume something. There is autonomous consumption. It cannot be less than one. Your marginal propensity to consume, can it be zero? Yes, it can be zero because अगर income increase हुआ है 100 rupees से, हो सकता है आपको फिर भी अगर आपकी 1,000 rupees थी इनकम, अब 1,100 हो गई, चेंज आया 100 का, आपकी कंजम्पशन 800 थी, आपको और कंज्यूम नहीं करना, आपने सोचा 100 का 100 में सेव कर लेता हूँ. So if you save, if you're not changing income, you're saving the entire 100 rupees, then your marginal propensity to consume can be zero. Right? Can it be negative? It cannot be negative क्योंकि change 100 हुआ है, तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा कुछ भी कंज्यूम नहीं करोगे ना, नेगेटिव तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So it cannot be negative. Okay. That's there. Then yeah. So MPC always lies between 0 and 1. Okay, so in tomorrow's class, we'll do APC, savings, average propensity to save, and marginal propensity to save. I hope this video was useful. Like कर देना अच्छी लगी है तो शेयर कर देना, आपको लगता है किसी के साथ भी हेल्पफुल होगा. सब्सक्राइब तो जरूर करना चैनल को, ताकि पता लगता रहे कि कौन सी और वीडियोस आ रही है. मेरे चैनल पे बहुत सारी वीडियोस आती है एवरीवन. सुबह 11 बजे वीडियो आती है, 4 बजे वीडियो आती है, शॉर्ट्स आती रहती हैं. कभी अब तो एनसीईआरटी का पेड कोर्स चल रहा है, सो देयर इज अ मेंबरशिप ऑन माय चैनल. दो पार्ट है मेंबरशिप के, स्टेयर्स एंड एलिवेटर. अगर आप मेंबरशिप लोगे 199 रुपीज में मेंबरशिप है, पार्ट 1 लेवल 1, एंड लेवल 2 मेंबरशिप है 299 में. आप 299 की मेंबरशिप लो, हार्डली वुड कॉस्ट यू 10 रुपीज पर डे, एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. बट उसमें आपको जो एडिशनल कोर्सेज मिलेंगे, एडिशनल वीडियोस मिलेंगी, वो बाकी सबको नहीं मिल रही हैं. वो एक्सक्लूसिव है पेड मेंबर्स के लिए, and उसमें भर भर के कंटेंट है. इट्स लाइक personal one-on-one coaching with me, and you'll get to know personal one-on-one understanding and classes with me as well in that course. So you can consider joining the channel by paid membership. तो जहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब आ रहा है वहाँ पे ऑप्शन आ रहा है ज्वाइन का, ज्वाइन कर सकते हो अगर पे करोगे एंड पेड मेंबर बन सकते हो. ऑलराइट, सो यू कैन एक्सेस ऑल माय पेड कोर्सेज. प्री कोर्सेज तो एक्सेसिबल है ही, डिस्क्रिप्शन में सबका लिंक है. सो कीप एंजॉइंग द चैनल एंड बने रहो चैनल के आसपास, कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी करते रहो. And yeah, with that, I'll see you tomorrow with another one. Take care, keep smiling, stay healthy, and bye bye.